card. Can you say thank you, Grandma Joyce?
Thank you, Grandma Joyce.
Okay, can you say thank you, Aunt Julie? Aunt Julie got you these stickers.
Thanks.
Here, hold them up. Hold them. Show Aunt Julie the stickers. Which one do you have on your arm?
Buzz and Piggy.
Buzz and Poogie?
Woody.
You want to put the Woody on?
Yeah. This one's not whip.
It's not?
No.
Can you take it off yourself now? Where are you going to put that sticker?
I want Rex.
Which one's Rex?
The green one.
Who gave you the stickers?
Julie.
Aunt Julie and Uncle Kim?
Yeah.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Here, say it into Mom's camera. Say thank you.
Thank you. I want this one.
Okay, show Grandma Joyce the card.
Here?
Where's your Cars card?
Here.
Let's see it. Hold it up for Mom. Does it make music?
Yeah.
Let me see. Did you get any other cards that make music?
This one.
Let me see. Who's on it?
Rex. That's Woody and this Rex.
Okay.
Is it get hot?
Who got you that balloon?
Me.
Did your daddy get that? Yeah. What else did you get for your birthday?
A cake.
A cake?
Here.
That's right. Did you get anything else?
I got lots of balloons.
Lots of balloons?
Yeah.
Mmm. Did any of your friends come over?
Jack.
Jack? What did we have for dinner for your birthday?
Cupcakes.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Say thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Say love you.
I love you.
Blow kisses. All right.